In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack profile picture. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. To change your profile picture on Slack, the first thing you'll want to do is open your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon or your initials, which are conveniently located in the lower left corner of the sidebar. Once you click on that, a menu will pop up. From this menu, go ahead and select Profile. This action will bring up your profile pane on the right side of your screen. Now that your profile is open, you'll need to edit your profile details. Look for the Edit button next to your name. It should be pretty easy to spot. Click on that, and a new window will appear, giving you more options to customize your profile. This is where the fun begins. In the Edit Your Profile window, you will see an option that says Upload Photo. Go ahead and click on that. It will prompt you to choose the image file you want to use from your device. Make sure you have a suitable picture saved somewhere on your computer or device. Once you select your image, you can adjust the cropping box to get it just right. This is a great time to make sure your face is centered or whatever aspect of the image you want to highlight is perfectly cropped. After you've got everything adjusted the way you like, find the Save button and click on that. Then click on Save Changes to confirm your new profile picture. It's really that simple. Once you've done this, your new profile picture will update across your entire workspace, so everyone in your team will be able to see the shiny new you. This little update can really help in giving a fresh vibe to your professional image on Slack, so it's definitely worth taking a moment to do. If at any point you feel the need to revisit your profile picture or make another change, you can easily follow these steps again. Remember, your profile is kind of like your digital business card, and keeping it updated can help you stay engaged with your colleagues. And there you go. Now you know exactly how to change your Slack profile picture. It's a quick process, but it can make a big impact on how you present yourself in your workspace. Whether you decide to use a professional headshot, a fun candid shot, or something that reflects your personality, make sure it's something you love, because it's going to represent you in the virtual workspace for a while. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Slack and other tools effectively.